Martin van Simpson. We are partners in the Cool Logistics Americas events that we're running on 14th and 15th of May here in Sao Paulo. And it would be good if we could explain to the market why we are cooperating, us as Cool Logistics Resources and you as Editora Update.
As a former organizers of Intermodal South America, we decided now that we go into the niche markets because we have the largest producers here of meat for the whole world. 46% of the poultry exports of the world come from Brazil. All the fruits from South America are also leading markets, and the system is just not there. And Cool Logistics has all the expertise from 5 years experience in Rotterdam, 3 years experience in South Africa, to bring all this knowledge to discussion. We really expect to have delegates from shipping lines, terminals, transportation companies, warehouse, and all the producers from South America.
I believe that infrastructure is one of the key issues which is a challenge both in the area of ocean freight as it is for air freight. In terms of ocean freight, where would you see the main challenges that will be discussed at the Cool Logistics Americas conference in May?
I would say that one problem is the space for the fruits. Normally, fruits are being loaded at the last ports in Brazil. So the fruits, due to their perishability conditions, not always they're ready many days ahead. They're ready just when the ship is about to load. And what happens is that the carrier leaves space open by leaving reefer cargo, frozen cargo in the south to make space for the fruits. And when the ship arrives at destination in the north port, there's not enough cargo because of agricultural conditions. Some containers were not ready to be loaded. And with this, you end up with ships with empty space.
In terms of air freight, where do you see developments that would suggest that the problems that are faced by producers and exporters may be resolved in the not too distant future?
I would say that the main point is that our airports here in Brazil are not well prepared for loading fruits. There are no reefer facilities for providing chilled temperature for the fruits. The only airport today that has this facility is located in Petrolina Airport, which is in the north part of Brazil, northeastern part of Brazil. But I've read that in this privatization process that some airports have been going through, that the airport at Guarulhos, which is now private concession, they will be developing reefer facilities for fruits. This is excellent news, and I hope that in the near future we have other airports in the same conditions.
Here in South America, East Coast, we have a unique system whereby companies are able to have access to very detailed data on what is being exported, what is being imported, which carriers are moving the cargo, what type of containers, so reefer cargo specifically, we're able to drill down, and it is widely used in the industry to analyze what kind of cargoes are being exported in reefer containers, what is being imported, what is the imbalance in reefer containers being exported, imported, and so on. This is all good for the market. It makes the market transparent and more competitive.
Andrew, if I were to ask you, what are the 3 key challenges that you see as a data service provider?
3 aspects are good data, knowledge of the industry, and networking.